So physics animation, you need to set some objects as being active and some being passive. Active ones are the ones that move, affected by gravity, bounce around. Passive ones, active objects can bounce off them, but don't move themselves. So first off, I'm going to make this cube larger. So I'm going to scale it on the X, scale it on the Y axis. You could just use a plane for this, but as the cube's here already, I'll do this. And I made myself a nice little platform. And what I'm going to do is along the side, you'll see pH, which is physics, and add passive, because I don't want this one to move. Now I'm also going to create a cube. Let's move this up a bit so it's over the top of our scene. So go to the side, there you go, right in the middle. Make it a bit smaller. And this object I'm going to make active. So I go to physics and active. Now when I press play, this will drop to the floor, and it would bounce a bit better. Obviously a flat surface hit a flat surface perfectly. So how can we do this? Well, we can rotate this slightly on the x-axis, and now when it goes down it will hit and it will roll a bit. I can even duplicate this with Shift and D and up the z-axis, Shift and D, y-axis, Shift and D, y-axis, Shift and D, Z. So I'm just moving a few around here, and because I've copied them, they're all active as well. If I press play, you'll see them all drop and fall down. So that's really basic how we can create a physics-based animation. If you're using a ball, obviously it will roll. You can make your passive ones be slopes. You can make the ball go down a tube, everything like that.